Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
I think the funeral arrangement was proposed by Preston. The final decision, I think, will be taken by the family. But likely, I think the funeral will be on Monday. So I express my deepest condolence to Lapang. Actually, I was there when he breathed his last. I felt very bad. He was my guru, what he say. He was like a father to me, right? I started my political career with him. So I felt very bad, but I hope that God will grant his solace to him in heaven. At the same time, I think the family also, they have already finished all the formalities. So may God bless the family. At the same time, may his soul rest in peace. So si cirkom namar ba kecing yap jong Lapang hangai namar ba ngadon separ nak kami opej por kepada ban pej andre menni hak por mawan hak postal marewan nga andrin hadin ci kentai dukut mesem ngadon hak por ba ki dukut mesem hangtei re nak kaliang jonga na penpau kecing so dem ki behing hasam kham tam i kong bat ki khon ba kin la ban syae kini ka jeng jenjar ke jok por ka met jeng Lapang ka poi suk hang ni ying kermen ka man sim jong iru kan song suk dwar jong blei may his soul rest in peace. In the house, the church will do and all the formalities with the different speeches and condolences will be done here, and then the state will take over from here to the Madan students. And then from there again, after the state will finish, then they'll take it to the graveyard and the church will take over from there.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la kabared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya chong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jingshania naki Pidon kam bandon deka license ke papaka ke bala itu da ka an kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link ba ke section lai poi iwe kam de ke ba bapinyo ke license pila ban apply ke online link ba ke website foscus.fssai.gov.in da ke ba pihak pen upload ru jadi kod kisla badan kam kat kum ke jajing kam jong pi Pilaru banyak kendo, yang designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habarok ke district kebadan Meghalaya, latno tang is kasihers. Pilak benlet bed syak office terekam Jongki ke Commissionerate of Food Safety kebadan Halowa Lachumya. Nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.